Step 5. Being in the here and now. Let's review what you've covered so far. You've learnt how to soften your mind, ground yourself, rest and release, let go of what draws you away, and to center yourself. You're ready to move on to the next stage, to become more present to the here and now. The present has been likened to its namesake, a gift, because when you're fully present, you're fully alive. Yet it's likely that you spend a good deal of your time occupied with the future or the past, and merely sleepwalk through the present. Your mind is in the habit of hijacking your body because you've taught it to. It's just a pattern. Learning to become more present will help break this pattern. In this step, you put busy mind on the back seat and let your senses anchor you in the here and now. If your mind wanders off to follow a thought during this meditation, let the thought go and gently lead your attention back to the sensations of the here and now, staying with each moment as it unfolds. Meditation on being in the here and now. Sit comfortably upright and allow your eyes to close. Become aware of the air touching the surface of your body. Notice the quality of the sensation. Become aware of the sensation of anything else making contact with your body. Including the support beneath you and the ground beneath your feet. Let it be there. Feel the weight of your body being supported. Notice the sounds around you, near and in the distance. Let them be there. Become aware of the quality of the light and shade through your closed eyelids. Let it be there. Sense there's an in front of you in the room, a behind, and either side. And above, and below. Allow yourself to engage with this space. Sense up to the height of sky above you. And the horizon stretching all the way round you. Allow yourself to engage with this larger space. Now gently return your awareness to your body. Feel the line of your spine aligning you with the ground beneath you and the sky above you. And allow yourself just to be in the simple here and now for a while. Notice what happens when you're in the here and now. Day-to-day awareness practice. Pause several times during your day and engage with the here and now. Notice the qualities of the sounds, sights, and scents around you. Allow yourself to wonder at nature as if a child again, discovering it for the first time. Touch the leaves of a nearby tree or bush as you pass. Bury your face in blossom. Feel the breeze on your face. Listen to birdsong and other natural sounds around you. Take a walk in the rain without your umbrella. Raise your face to enjoy the free shower instead of shielding it. Stand under a starlit sky. Give yourself a moon bath. Take a stroll by your local pond and explore the ever-changing reflections in water. Examine the rooftops and the endless sky with its drifting clouds as you walk, rather than looking down at the ground. Be present to everyday activities that you generally carry out on automatic pilot, such as brushing your teeth, doing the washing up, or opening a door.